Welcome to English Card. There are some words that are spelled the same, they sound the same, but mean different things depending on the context. For example, if you take the word bark. Now, bark could either mean the outer part of a tree, or it could mean the bark of a dog. Bow wow. These types of words are called homonyms. Homo meaning the same and nym meaning the name. Homonyms. In this video, let's look at some examples of homonyms. The word rose. Rose could either be the flower rose or the past tense of rice. She rose. Now the word address, depending on the context, could either mean to address someone, which is to speak to or talk to someone, or address, the noun, which means a location or a particular place that something is in or a person resides. In a different context, address actually means a formal speech.